ब्रो ये काउंटडाउन तेरे को पता है अपन हमेशा करते हैं ना 3 2 1। जैसे अभी तू नासा का तेरे को पता है जो काउंटडाउन होता है रॉकेट लॉन्च के पहले। नासा गॉट दैट आइडिया फ्रॉम अ साईफाई मूवी।
Oh, really?
यस
So
इट
before
वाज
that, they were one second. Before that, they were not counting before starting the rocket. It's just
जस्ट इनडिस्क्रिमिनेटली। नहीं वैसा नहीं था बट 1930s में एक मूवी बनी थी बाय दिस डायरेक्टर कॉल्ड फ्रिट्ज लैंग। और उसने अपने मूवी में दिखाया कि टू क्रिएट एंटिसिपेशन फॉर द रॉकेट लॉन्च उसने 10 9 वैसा किया। फिर नासा ने देखा भाई ये तो अच्छा आइडिया अपने को ऐसा करना चाहिए। नहीं तो सडनली अरे चुत क्या हो गया।
I get what you're saying in the sense that there are multiple ways of doing it, such as NASA could have taken inspiration from races. जिधर ऐसा एक आदमी गन के साथ खड़ा है on your marks, get set, lift off.
बट हाँ ये एक्चुअली काफी ऑर्गेनिक फैक्ट था।
There was, one of my favorite gags. I think this is in Mission Impossible or Top Gun, one of them, one Tom Cruise movie. Jidhar, again, they have to do some mission where it involves counting down. So he's like, okay, so on like one, but like, is it like 3 2 1 or like 3 2 1 and then one
No, do
oh
I
no
go
no.
on
This is
one
a
or is it
Yeah.
3 2 1 and
This
then
is
go?
some
and then
this
go?
is some backstage. This is some backstage story for Tom Cruise. This
Oh,
is
yeah,
for
yeah,
Mission
yeah, yeah.
Impossible ka making
Behind the
of.
scenes. Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
like how when we used to do अपने building में तो race करेगा मन में when you were giving the countdown you would be like 3 2 और थोड़े लोग भाग के रुक जाते हैं अबे यार ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है फिर वापस 3
No, and the people who lose always make that their reason. I thought
Yeah,
तू
yeah.
बोलेगा मीनिंग ऐसा वन पे ही निकलना था और मेरे को लगा उसके तू गो बोलेगा ना गो तभी मैं जाऊंगा.
इसलिए गोली ना गोली सुन भाग। It's actually quite morbid if you think about it. It's not only your cue to start the race but also life lessons. राइट कि गोली सुना तो फास्ट भाग तेरे अंदर का स्प्रिंटर भाग। गोली गोली तो आजू बाजू नहीं। चल और इसी काउंटडाउन से चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड लेकिन बिफोर वी डू दैट गाइस मेक श्योर यू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट शेयर बिकॉज इन 5 years by the way 5 years of this
Oof.
5 years of
never
this.
once said this in the beginning right we always say it at the end so आज हम पहले बोल रहे हैं कि please like share subscribe comment and buy tickets all right let's begin the episode 3 2 1 Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random mystery about of facts, sensitive and numbers, stories, and we talk about it. And क्या है आज क्या बात करने के लिए क्या है तुम्हारे पास कुछ कहानियां कुछ स्टोरी फक मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ मेरे साथ क्या हुआ ब्रो। कल मैंने मंगाया है आमंड मिल्क ठीक है और आमंड मिल्क आ गया है घर पे यूजुअली यू गेट द डिलीवरी यू टेक इट यू गो पुट इट इन द फ्रिज नाउ वी हैव अ भैया वर्किंग विद अस सो ही इज टेकन इट प्रॉपर्ली. He checks, he cleans, whatever, and then he'll put it in the fridge. So he has called me out of sheer horror कि भैया इधर आओ. And I have gone to the kitchen to see. Bro, at the back where you see that little perforation और वो सब होता है not perforation but वो ऐसे origami किया होता है ना जो bottom पे तो वो origami को खुलेगा ना maggots है छोटे baby maggots white color के.
I don't think baby maggot or adult maggot makes a difference. A maggot is a maggot in your milk.
No, baby maggots are tastier is what I've heard. But like
Acha.
it was
Varun, I don't know how you did it, but you're the first person to order a vegan product and make it
With
non-vegan.
I'm
That
calling it
means
because
maggots are
I'm
vegan.
I
These are very posh maggots. It's like नहीं नहीं हम तो almond milk की normal
हाँ इन लोग गाय का
lactose
दूध नहीं
intolerant.
पीते ब्रो. हम लोग लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट है इसलिए आमंड मिल्क मंगा रहे हैं लेकिन अभी हम लोग इंसेक्ट टॉलरेंट हो गए क्योंकि स्पेशली इन दिस वेदर एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हाट गारंटी डू यू हैव right like what unless you are physically checking properly everything you assume that अरे मैंने यहाँ से मंगा इसका तो ठीक ही होगा लेकिन ऐसे फकॉल वाला है ब्रो प्रॉपर घूम रहे थे फिर मैं कंप्लेन किया तो मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स में आया डू यू वांट रिफंड ऑफ ₹5 मैंने बोला एक मिनट अगर मैंने ये देखा नहीं होता क्योंकि बॉटम पे ऐसे नहीं टॉप पे मैगट थे बॉटम पे थे it was his good thinking that he checked. I don't know how, why he checked, right? He checked it, but if I just left it, these fuckers would have entered the almond milk, some bloody khadda somewhere, और फिर गया फिर.
It's not
The-
that. It's just तेरे fridge में there would be maggots everywhere.
Bro, that image was so ghastly. I remember I put it on the group. I don't know तुमने देखा कि नहीं.
Yeah, देखा हम लोग.
मैं बोला मैं अकेले क्यों सफर करूं. तुम
Like
लोग भी
वरुण फ्रिज खोलता और उधर से ऐसा 50 मक्खी बाहर निकलते थे. वरुण is like, oh shit.
disgusting, bro. But they say that, right? I mean, nowadays, when it comes to food adulteration, how do you know what is what? Like, I saw this thing somewhere where it was written that wasabi that we eat is most of the times not wasabi.
Then
It is horseradish. ये
Can I
तुमने
tell you
वो-
that-
Just for people who don't know, horseradish has nothing to do with horses on any level.
Oh.
It
I don't
is,
know why it's called horseradish.
I think it's like a kick from a horse. That's the logic.
That's our guess. Please correct
Yeah.
us in the comments below.
It feels like it's a kick from a horse. Kick अभी तुम
But-
ऐसे जाते हो ऐसा लगता है ना?
You get
What
kicked by
is-
the horse and then it says reddish. The nishani. Either the horse is weak or you're very strong. कि घोड़े के लात खाने के बाद भी तेरे को इससे थोड़ा reddish निशान आया है.
It's like, अरे चल एक और sushi खाता हूँ मैं.
But by that logic, Karela should be like, meaning it should be.
I don't know what that is.
ब्रो करेला तो काटा नहीं तो उसको डैगर जैसे यूज कर सकता है भाई. वो ऐसे वेलेरियन स्टील का लगता है बना हुआ कि घुसेड़ दे किसी में तो जाएगा अंदर सीधे. अरे करेले से
Well, depends.
एक
What is the
एक
Karela?
एक वो था और दूसरा मैंने क्या देखा दैट एप्पल्स. ठीक है, एवरीबॉडी एप्पल अ डे कीप्स डॉक्टर अवे. बट तू जो
Oh,
सुपरमार्केट में जाके एप्पल लेता है जो दिखते एकदम लाल कश्मीरी एप्पल, ये वो डूड दैट इज समटाइम्स 14 months old.
Yeah, also
Wow.
there's wax on them. They are waxed to make them shiny. So
Yeah.
it's always like if you were to take it and not like if you don't peel your apples, just take a knife and just ऊपर से just scrape it. There'll be wax that will come off.
And then you can take that wax, put it in a bowl, light it, and say you got it from Bath and Body
Do your
Works.
own, yeah, and
My-
do like your own candle.
The worst thing that happens is sometimes they give you these apples with stickers on them, right? Which you have to take
Ah.
on face value, right? It's a sticker that says export quality.
Or says best quality.
Best
so,
quality or whatever.
And suddenly you're like, oh, ये तो best quality होगा क्योंकि इसके ऊपर एक
इसके
sticker है,
sticker
best
है.
quality.
Right? And then you bring it home, then you wash it, and the sticker is just impossible. It doesn't come off cleanly, right? It leaves
Yeah.
all the world's glue onto this.
Yeah, yeah.
Then you have to cut that separately, and then
नहीं खाएश.
Yeah.
Oh,
ये
yeah, Haish.
एप्पल का ग्लू, ये एप्पल के स्टिकर का ग्लू नहीं निकल रहा है लेकिन मेरा जूता फटते जा रहा है बार बार. So can somebody give Nike this glue so that they can use it in their shoes?
या
Dude,
तो
but
तू
by the
Apple
way,
पहले.
the thing that you were mentioning about maggots, right? In your food, I feel like literally every single day I see one new news item, new viral video on social media, new post about different animals found in different food across India,
Yeah.
across the world.
Yeah, and a food that they are not. For example,
course.
ऐसा नहीं like तेरे को prawn मिल रहा है chicken में as opposed to chicken मिल रहा है chicken में. क्योंकि chicken मिलता है chicken में तो बोलता है अरे wow, chicken found in chicken, not bad. तो ये अलग animal अलग खाने में जा रहा है.
But prawn is a good example. It's like तू चिकन करी मंगाया और उसके अंदर एक मेंढक है.
That's had nothing to do
तेरे
with
ऊपर ही आ
prawns.
रहा है.
Like Adar, you were telling us one thing, right? You found recently.
Acha, nahin, so there's a couple of things, which is there is a acceptable level of animal allowed in food.
One second. One
Yes,
second.
yes.
Please make sure you verify. Why on earth would this be a sentence anywhere? There's an acceptable level of other animals that can be found.
I am
in this
reading this on Washington Post. Okay, this is acceptable level of FDA approved level of animal allowed in food. In coffee, it rests between, and I'm going specifically coffee because it's 4 to 6% of coffee can include fly eggs, pecans, maggots, and maggots and tomato products. There'll be and the one thing that has constantly been
Maggots
coming up
and
in
tomato
coffee,
products.
no, maggots and
What
tomato
sort of
products.
adulteration is this?
Because maggots blend well with the tomato seeds. ऐसे करके पूरा list है of what animal coincides with what product, because they tend to camouflage themselves well. So coffee.
Oh,
Now think of the coffee bean. Okay, now this is ground coffee. The ground coffee that you're buying that is
Oh.
lying behind you, Varun, right now.
That is
Most
in
likely-
my cup
Brown.
as we speak.
Yeah. So most
But
likely
मेरा
when the
single source bean from Africa से है.
yes,
but wait,
all of them.
wait.
When they're stored, the beans are stored, and before they are grounded, cockroaches do tend to get in there, and they decide to ground them anyway. So your
Huh?
pre-grounded beans that you're buying have an acceptable level of cockroach legs and cockroaches in them.
भाई
Oh my
जो भी
God.
बोलो, मेरे अंदर के कॉकरोच बहुत टेस्टी है क्योंकि मजा आ रहा है, रोज कोकोनट तो पी रहा हूँ मैं. तो और ये कॉकरोच जिनके ऊपर बेगॉन मारा हुआ है तो एक्स्ट्रा फ्लेवर.
नहीं
वाह.
नहीं ठाकुर, क्योंकि तेरा कॉकरोच भी सिंगल सोर्स्ड है. इट्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस.
सिंगल सोर्स कॉकरोच इधर के नाली से ही आता है. No, 4 to 7% of my coffee is not my coffee, but everybody's coffee.
हाँ.
Fuck, that's disgusting. But
And
Nescafe ऐसी तो बनता है. I think Nescafe is जो भी ऐसे लोग ऐसे स्वीट मारते हैं. जितने भी आगे ना
ठाकुर.
ग्ररररररर, ये ले.
ठाकुर,
like,
I'll tell you something. There is that, and then there is the coffee machine, which has coffee which already contains cockroach, and inside the machine there is
हाँ,
like
अबे तेरा बरिस्टा
family.
कॉकरोच है. तेरे होटल रूम के
हाँ.
कॉफी मशीन का बरिस्टा कॉकरोच है. अंदर बैठ के कॉकरोच एक छोटा बोल रहा है, सुन उसका पैर डाल दो
अच्छे
आज
से
इसमें. अरे
बोलते हैं, आज
उसने
इसका हार्ट
अरे उसने
बनाओ कि
लाते
लीफ
मंगाए.
बना
हाँ तो दे तेरे लाते उसके अंदर डाल दे.
एक दो लाते तेरी डाल उसमें.
सब कॉकरोच निकल रहे हैं. अरे भाई क्या मुझे
Oh, we
बहुत
did
अच्छा
it.
लगता है.
We did it.
We
We
got to
made.
latte. Latte from latte has happened on this podcast. Speaking of latte,
Where
a
else would
rat
you expect this?
a rat was found swimming in a Telangana hostel curry. So उन लोगों ने कड़ी का पूरा देगची खोला.
Firstly,
This
are there-
yellow curry has a rat swimming inside it, doing laps.
Oh, so that's why it's swimming and not found.
हाँ.
I
Yeah,
thought it
yeah,
was like you found a dead rat, so it's found. It's
No,
at the
no, no,
bottom
no.
of the
वो स्विमिंग कर रहा है.
barrel. वो
वो
swim कर रहा है.
literally, if you look at the video, वो laps मार रहा है. It's like, चल ठीक है. If I'm having so much, then I want to burn off the calories also.
तो चखारा भी
ज्यादा
है.
ज्यादा कड़ी पी लिया.
मतलब तू अगर कड़ी में है तो might as well. It's like मैं पी भी लेता हूँ, वो भी कर लेता हूँ, and I'll burn it off.
मैं जो पी रहा हूँ उसमें मैं तैर भी लेता हूँ.
हाँ.
वो करते रहे. उसका एक सेल्फ फुलफिलिंग प्रोफेसी है ये चूहे का. खुद ही करी पीते जा रहा. कोई निकाल
ओरे बोलस.
रहने दो.
ओरे बोलस चल
में
रहा.
कुएं को नहीं निकालते. इट्स बैड लक.
हाँ.
That's
कितने सारे
crazy.
bro.
That's
Olive oil,
crazy.
olive oil. Olive oil. One of the most scam products. Olive oil. और उसके सब पे उस पे लिख रहा है ना एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन. ये
हाँ.
एक्स्ट्रा
Why?
एक्स्ट्रा.
So, by the
Why
way,
wasn't a virgin enough? Why
I'll
did it
tell
have
you
to
one.
become extra?
I'll tell you a story. Okay, so when we went for a honeymoon, okay, and we were in Florence, so we became really good friends with our Airbnb host. ठीक है, and हम लोग जा रहे थे विनयार्ड देखने के लिए. थोड़ा जाएंगे वीकेंड पे, वाइन पियेंगे. वो उसने बोला नहीं फक इट, तुम लोग मेरे विनयार्ड आओ क्योंकि उसके फैमिली का खुद का है. तो उसके हम लोग विनयार्ड गए. Plus in his own house he has, and his family has been in the olive oil business. So he was telling us इन लोग जिस तरीके से बनाते हैं ब्रो, उसने हम लोग को ना इतना दिया था अपना ऑलिव ऑयल. I shit you not, like olive oil is one of my favorites. Like पास्ता के साथ मैं पी भी लूंगा ऑलिव ऑयल, इतना अच्छा होता है कभी कभी. Dude, this was unbelievable.
extra virgin.
So this is triple extra virgin oil.
Never
लोग को
even
लग रहा है
come
वहाँ पे
close.
वरुण फ्लोरेंस में ऐसे व्हाइट वाइन पी रहा है, बट वो एक्चुअली बस ऑलिव ऑयल दबा रहा है वरुण बैठ के.
तू ठंडा करके देख लेता, मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता. शर्मा बोलता पी लेता है, अच्छी तो टेस्ट है इसकी. सर उसको आपको पास्ते में डालना था. Bro, incredible. So he was telling us that from like these family-owned olive oil companies, you have like different brands who will just show up and be like, hey भाई आजा तुम लोग से हम खरीदते हैं, उसके ऊपर लेबल चिपकाएंगे अपना एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑलिव ऑयल, वर्जिन ऑलिव ऑयल का स्टिकर मार के उसको 3 गुना प्राइस में बेचेंगे. And it
Dude,
is
you know
still
something? One of the one of the huge things that the Italian mafia are into is this business, the extra virgin olive oil export business. So what they do is they basically adulterate the
How
olive oil.
far has the mafia fallen? How far has the from Godfather to बस अभी हम लोग तेल पे हम
तो
लोग
माफिया
पानी
गोज
करेंगे।
where there is money because
बहुत
avocados
पैसा
के
है
साथ
इसमें।
सेम चीज
हम्म।
पब्लिक थोड़े मैक्सिकन कार्टेल ने कोकेन छोड़ दिया अभी उन लोग एवोकाडो धंधे में आ गए हैं। सच्ची मजाक नहीं कर रहा ब्रो तू अभी इधर से
अबे
फास्ट वाला तो
अबे
एवोकाडो
कोकेन
खरीद
कोकेन का प्रॉफिट मार्जिन उतना नहीं है जितना avocado का
अबे
है।
एवोकाडो लीगल है ना कोकेन में तेरे को बाकी सब तेरे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर उसको पुलिस को खिला
The
एवोकाडो लीगली ला रहा है कंट्री में
but can you imagine? This is the
But
one fruit वाला you can't bargain with. भैया कितने में दिए? 200 रुपए।
क्या बोला सर मैं
200
आपको
रुपए
400 दे
बहुत
देता हूँ
कम।
400।
But also the problem is at least cocaine, like the cocaine that they're doing is shelf life. The problem, the fear with these guys is कि avocado खराब भी हो जाएगा. How do they preserve this avocado? It
Other
reaches the people on time.
you think just
Oh,
by
have you
habit,
seen what's going on outside? You say you have good avocados, they go like this.
one second, do you think just out of habit, right? So these guys they open the avocado, फिर उसको
वो भी हो सकता है हम लोग दो तीर से एक निशाने करें एवोकाडो में कोकेन भी डाल रहे
ऐसे
No,
ये
it's
नाक से
just
खाना
that
नहीं है, वो लोग ऐसे
they're
नाक
tasting
में
it
डाल
and
रहे हैं
then
avocado उससे अच्छा है।
अच्छा है, product is nice.
सब सब सबके लिए अच्छा रहता है हेल जाना है तो हेल जा और तेरे को गंदी चीजें करनी है तो बीच में कोकेन भी है वेरी गुड फॉर द डीलर
Dude, there's a guy. So while we're talking about food, right? Very popular person. I don't know if you've seen his videos on the internet right now. There's a guy called Food Farmer. Okay, FHARMER, Food Farmer. So what this guy does is he basically reviews products. Okay, the food products, and he tells you like at the back of the thing it says sorry, on the marketing it says with cashew nuts or whatever, and at the back you'll find out ki cashew nut is 0.2%. For example, if you take Tang or something like that, right, they say ki it's orange Tang, and we always growing up you always go like, oh yeah, I'm having some kind of orange, right? On the packaging also it'll tell you with vitamin C,
Yeah.
etc, etc.
Never.
When you turn the pack around, it says 93% sugar
Yeah.
and like some point something percent orange. So you are getting vitamin C, but it's so less कि तेरा बॉडी भी बोल रहा है भाई ये क्यों डल रहा है।
अबे उतना विटामिन सी तेरे को ऑरेंज पकड़ने से मिल जाएगा तो एक ऑरेंज को हाथ लगा विटामिन
ऐसे
सी
हाथ
उतना ही
लगा
है
के
एज अपोज
सूंघ
टू
लेगा ना
ड्रिंकिंग
तो
500
सूंघ ले
ml
बस दूर से ना भाजी वाले के पास जाके ऐसे ऑरेंज सूंघ लो एक दो दैट विल बी द इक्विवेलेंट
bro
विटामिन सी
this is a trend now like it's not like labels didn't exist before and but across the board not just in India ये मैं I think I spoke about this on like past this episode पहला I started following the 60-year-old bodybuilder creator okay Ed Abdu who just walks into supermarkets takes all of these protein bars cereal ये वो टर्न करता है इंग्रेडिएंट दिखाता है सुपरमार्केट में और गांड मारता है ब्रांड्स की कि wake the fuck up, eat real food, like single ingredient food that's become like the buzzword right now that a lot of people are following. तो उन लोग ऐसे वाले वीडियोस बहुत आते हैं and one of them I saw which was about Pringles, right? Like for most people watching, most of us, Pringles मतलब bro, potato chips मतलब Pringles, except
no,
it's got no potato.
What is it made out of? Maggots?
You
कुछ
think
तो
potatoes magically they've
तेरे
got
को
the
कुछ
right
extract,
perfect
कुछ
size
chemical
shape of the potato? No, it's a
बट क्या है वो है क्या चीज क्या है?
तो अगले बार जब तू प्रिंगल खा रहा है एक बार उसको उल्टा देख और उसके ऊपर पढ़
Thermocol, what is it made of?
no it's just you put shit together
so these are the ingredients of this. It does have dried potato, but I need to see what is the
अरे
percentage.
but dried potato का भी barely any extract just to give you the sense of
Yeah.
इसमें
So
potato है
dehydrated processed potatoes, but then most of it is vegetable oil, soybean, germinated corn flour, a lot of corn flour,
Corn flour.
cornstarch, and
Starch, wheat
maltodextrin.
extract.
Yeah. And wheat starch. So it's mostly starch. All these
My
Starch is
favorite
starches.
my favorite sort of genre of these food videos is where they give you a visual demonstration of the ingredients. Okay, so for example,
Yeah.
seeing it mathematically is one thing, right? It's an abstract thing. But when they show you visually, कि in one glass of Pepsi there is, and then they just pour sugar into a
Oh, that
glass.
was sugar. Yes, bro.
Yeah,
मैंने
Like,
Nutella
and
का
it's
देखा था.
yeah.
मैंने Nutella, what we think is fucking Nutella is palm oil, फलाना टिमका, कुछ तो केमिकल, वापस कुछ palm oil, वापस ये syrup, वो syrup. So eventually that taste that you're getting, that you're like, wow, this is awesome, hazelnut, chocolate, ये वो, उसमें है chocolate इतना ही, बाकी सब सामान ज्यादा है. So he keeps the Nutella, and next to that he keeps a glass in which he just empties.
He's pouring different stuff.
इट इज नट्स. वो देख के ऐसे कुछ हो रहा था कि ये अपन इतने साल से अपने बॉडी में डालते जा रहे हैं.
Acha,
I
don't
also
judge
like
me on this.
Huh.
Don't judge me on this. For years as a child, when I used to read palm oil, I used to think it is oil that has been squeezed by a person's palm. This is my yeah.
Nice.
For years I thought this as a child.
तो तुझे लगा वो हैंड प्रेस्ड है.
Hand pressed.
It's just regular oil passing through someone's palm.
Yeah.
You look at like even corn syrup and all. You like the US has fought wars because they needed to get a certain supply of corn, out of which they would make corn syrup, which then started replacing like somebody had done this really cool video about Coke, Mexican Coke vis-a-vis American Coke. Full difference.
Yeah.
बिकॉज उन लोग उसमें एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप का शुगर यूज करते हैं और अपने इधर बोल रहे हो यूएस के इधर उन लोग एक जो भी कॉर्न सिरप या कुछ तो यूज करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दैट द टेस्ट ऑफ मैक्सिकन कोक इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट.
Dude, there was
नहीं, but India में
one.
भी हुआ था ना अभी recently about the different kind of sugar that they use in a lot of the baby products, and that had become a huge outcry because
Oh, yeah,
basically
yeah.
you're giving us different stuff for babies in India versus the same product in America. So that has become like a huge thing.
Dude, babies, they did. You guys remember अपने एवरेस्ट मसाले और ये सब हांगकांग में उन लोगों को
Yeah,
बैन कर
they banned them. Yeah.
because they found fucking
Babies in them.
and
Oh.
babies.
found-
They found babies in
Babies in the MDR.
on ground babies.
Dude, by the way, speaking of the sodas and stuff, na?
Huh.
Did you know that in 2008 in Japan they had launched a very limited edition Pepsi which was yogurt flavored?
Ew, that's disgusting. That's
Did it
disgusting.
work? Did it work?
No, considering no one has heard about it ever.
No, but there's a lot of stuff in Japan that we've not heard about, like matcha, like that matcha Kit Kat is something that we don't end up getting. Like most people don't know that there is matcha Kit Kat, and these are all popular in Japan.
Dude, and also
matcha is native to udhar na, उन लोग के इधर से आया है. It's like it's like
अपना
you
आलू
eat
टिक्की.
bread. Other, your perfect example. Eat bread in Europe versus eating bread in America. जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. जमीन आसमान. तू पेरिस में, इनफैक्ट there's a crazy stat I read where every like 500 मीटर, एक किलोमीटर टाइप you have a bakery.
Yeah.
Every 500 600 meters you have a bakery, each with their own dish of bread, that when you eat also you don't feel that वो एक भरा हुआ पेट में अजीब वाइब नहीं आता है.
When I was working there, I would see people in my team, like the cameraman, this, that, everybody. A lot of them would just carry the whole वो जो लंबा वाला bread है, the baguette.
Brown paper bag में. अरे
They
भाई.
just नहीं, that is the snack. Between working, they're just, it's like having chips. They're just biting into that, and they are like very healthy. So
देख, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ फ्रेंच लोग को कि ब्रेड अच्छा है, लेकिन इतना भी अच्छा है नहीं कि मैं उसको कच्चा खाते जा रहा हूँ किधर.
कच्चा खा रहे हैं सब लोग.
This is not the 1200s.
Yeah.
ब्रेड खा रहा हूँ. ऑलिव ऑयल डाल, थोड़ा कोई चिली फ्लेक्स, थोड़ा चीज डाल, प्लेन ब्रेड. Republic.
Last soda related fact. So in during World War II, okay, Coca-Cola was already in Germany, and because the war was raging, so they had basically, there was a embargo on some, they couldn't import some of their ingredients, so they created a new product with locally sourced ingredients.
Yeah.
And that thing is called Fanta.
Fanta. Yes. And Fanta is a Nazi time
So,
invention.
yeah, so just know every time you have Fanta, you are supporting the Nazis directly.
Let's not.
नो अबे वैसा करने जाएंगे तो कितने गाड़ी कंपनी ये वो वो तो फिर नेवर एंडिंग है भाई.
If you buy a flat in Mumbai, you are supporting D company personally.
Straight. But like I was giving this example of bread, right? Even have you had chocolates that come from Europe?
Yeah.
के अंदर because they have
Let me guess.
हम लोग इतने भी गए गुजरे नहीं है ठाकुर. As you're thinking, we have had chocolates from Europe
it's
at some
a
point in our life.
I'm not saying like
Let me guess. They are
larger
not
of-
made of chocolate,
no they
right?
are.
They
In
they
fact,
are surprising.
अबे नॉट जस्ट चॉकलेट उसमें जो दूध यूज होता है ना एक स्पेसिफिक आई डोंट नो
गाय
व्हाट
का दूध.
क्वालिटी लेवल क्या है मतलब व्हाट इज प्रीमो क्वालिटी व्हाट इज नॉट बट द एग्जैक्ट टर्म फॉर इट बट the specific kind of milk of a certain grade being used in their chocolates gives it that very distinct taste. एक होता है कि तेरा शुगर नहीं है शुगर तो किसमें बेटा जितने रबर खा लेगा कल आदमी लाइक उसमें फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है बट लाइक द टाइप ऑफ मिल्क दैट इज बीइंग यूज्ड सेम थिंग विद ब्रेड दे आर सो स्ट्रिक्ट विद द स्टैंडर्ड अपन हम लोग बोलते हैं अमेरिकन एफडीए ने अप्रूव किया है अमेरिकन एफडीए भी टट्टी से टट्टी चीज अप्रूव कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
एंड वी लुक एट ओ एफडीए ने अप्रूव किया अबे एफडीए ने अप्रूव किया तो उन्होंने कचरा अप्रूव किया है आधा जो खा रहे हैं पब्लिक.
No, a lot of
Dude.
people have started finding videos where they are eating something like suppose gajar kha rahe. So those carrot sticks, there's pre-cut carrots that you will a lot of NRI students and all will see because it becomes easy for you to buy that and just cook and just snack on. So जो carrots आ रहे हैं, they're pre-cut into a certain shape, carrot buttons. Now, some of them are just like it's like they're made of silicone.
Ew.
It's like they're taking it out and it's like every packet mein they're finding something that is completely just not it's just not a food. It's like it's just put in to fill the packet. It's like it's bizarre how many videos I've seen of
By the way,
this silicone version of the same food coming in.
so by the way, you were mentioning the FDA, right? There's an incredible story that you can look up. Okay. I highly urge that you do. So the thing is, today we have, techniques and a greater understanding of how adulteration and stuff like that happens, right? But back in the day, that was not the case. So the FDA, the American FDA, the way it was formed was literally the most basic way that you can do this. Some bunch of people got together in one place, put out food and began eating it to test what was in it. Okay. And this crew was called the Poison Squad. All right. So
This is for the king.
basically, no. So they would basically eat the food to see the effects it would have. And that became eventually the FDA. So it started literally from some people going like, hey, हमारे food में कुछ तो अलग लग रहा है ना.
It's literally built on a foundation of brave people who tried to test the food before you did, and then they died, possibly trying to do it because there was no FDA before that.
It's that thing now. It's like, अरे, who thought of milking the cow and having the milk? It's these guys. It's like, हाँ, क्या खा सकते हैं? अच्छा, मट्टी नहीं खा सकते हैं. And there's like, आज मुकेश देखो क्या मिला? आज मेरे को मिला है आज साइनाइड खाने का मेरे को. देखता हूँ कैसा होता है. Let's see.
Yeah, it's literally that कि like चल ना तू start कर आज तू start करेगा.
नहीं सर लेकिन मैं क्यों अरे तू एफडीए सर बना नहीं है अभी तक मतलब नहीं तू कर फिर तू प्रेसिडेंट बन जाएगा एफडीए का सर लेकिन खा के मर गया तो डोंट वरी नहीं मरेगा. तो आपने ट्राई किया है नहीं
Trust me.
Dude, also the thing that you were saying about milk, right? I feel like every 6 months a friend walks into my house, right? I ask him what's happening, and then he tells me that, just recently he has shifted to a new way of living, a new way of eating. So recently a friend walked in and he said, bro, तू A2 दूध पीता है क्या? A2 क्योंकि मैं अभी शिफ्ट हो गया हूँ A2 दूध पे. I was like, what is A2 दूध? अरे वो सा ग्रेड है. It's better than your.
It's the दूध that will stab you in the back. A2 दूध Brutus. A2 दूध Brutus.
So
Dutus.
Dutas.
and to be honest, I can't tell the difference anymore between whether something is genuinely good quality or whether something is really good marketing. I cannot tell the difference. So it's like that
ये
sticker
A2
of best
मैंने
quality.
दूध के लिए नहीं सुना है, A2 मैंने घी के लिए सुना है, क्योंकि हमारे घर पे A2 घी आती है, क्योंकि आई हर्ड कि अरे A2 घी
हाँ,
ब्रो, ये
तू ही
पिछले
है वो दोस्त.
6 महीने में मैंने इतना फेक घी के आर्टिकल्स, टू द पॉइंट द लास्ट बिग बस्ट ऑफ फेक घी हैपेंड एट डीमार्ट 3 weeks ago. Okay.
Wait, what? There was a bust in DMart?
Yeah, DMart with like, अरे यार कहाँ I had all the
इधर नार्कोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट पहुंच गए, इधर क्या है सर, ये
No,
डीमर्ट है, हाँ,
400
D stands for not drugs, sir.
This-
Come to the wrong place.
There were 450 liters of adulterated ghee seized from Jaipur DMart. This is 3 weeks ago. Then the fake ghee, there's another 250 kgs of fake ghees with branded logos that have been found. This is from another article from March. Then Rajasthan mein adulterated ghee has been coming in. Then there's Gujarat. There was another massive bust on fake ghee.
ये क्या कुछ बड़ा सिंडिकेट है क्या जिन्होंने डिसाइड किया एक टाइम
बहुत-
पे घी आज से घी हो देश?
Dude, it's massive. And I decided, what the fuck would an adulterated ghee be like? How bad could it be?
What
So
was it?
adulterated ghee is made from, like, they mix stuff to make it gada. So that is worse. So they're adding stuff like coal tar, the rancid old ghee that has gone to, like, been thrown away, and animal fats that are not safe to use for even apna sabun. So it's like that kind of stuff that is being added to make this fake
Can you-
ghee.
can you
Basically,
imagine?
everything that goes inside the Domino's thick crust pizza that is now being sold.
No, but
But you
Thakur,
know why the
तू रोटी पे
sorry.
घी लगा रहा है, राइट? और वो
हमारा
पिघल
मैं
रहा
तो
नहीं है, पर रोटी क्या साफ हो गया है क्योंकि उसमें सोप है. तो
मेरे
झाग आ रहा है.
मेरी जवार की रोटी ऐसे गेहूं की रोटी बन गई, व्हाइट हो गई, बोला अरे ये तो
अरे वाह,
घी.
उससे वो रोटी पे तो जला हुआ पार्ट होता है ना, ब्लैक ब्लैक, वो भी हट गया पूरा. वापस आटा बन गया.
श्रुति, वो घी एक बार गलती से मेरे तवे पे गिर गई तो उसके ऊपर का सब क्लीन हो गया. सडनली देख रहे हैं,
हमारे घर में तो हम तवे घी से ही साफ करते हैं.
सब दोस्त घर पे आ रहे हैं, अरे तेरे तवे बहुत साफ है, हाँ क्या यूज करता है? घी. अरे
आज किससे तो
By the way, you know why that Domino's thick crust pizza had started? This is a very
Why?
random fact.
you make money.
No, because apparently, no. So it's apparently what had happened is America has insane amount of store. This was during some presidents, like years and years ago. They had stockpiled cheese,
Cheese,
a
हाँ,
shit
cheese.
ton of. It's called American grade cheese or something. And there's like apparently there's a whole, like, there are silos full of that cheese. Now the cheese is gonna go bad. So what they started to do was start giving it
Oh.
out to Domino's and all these things at a super subsidiary price just to get rid of the cheese. And that's why all these companies started dumping cheese into their food. That's why American food
अरे but
has
it wasn't
exorbitant
cheese.
amount of cheese.
Haven't you heard this? Like ये बचपन से अपना चल रहा है कि उसके अंदर मेयो है, लाड है, ये है, वही गाढ़ा बनाने के लिए. So it looks like वो चीजी डिप, इतना व्हाइट कलर है वो, इतना व्हाइट कलर. इसमें क्या डाला है? रिन डाला है तूने? क्या डाला है उसके अंदर?
No, honestly, and it, right, like recently we had
खाने के बाद ना ये होता है ना, अगर तेरे मुंह पे ये ऐसा.
no, you can feel the artery which it is clogging as it has gone
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
You can feel it.
Yeah, yeah. Straight.
It's somewhere here in this zone.
इधर और ऐसे एक इधर भी है, उधर ऐसे गाढ़ा बन के वो रह गया है. तो उसमें देखो गर्म पानी डाल डाल के उसको मेल्ट करना पड़ रहा है ताकि यू कैन एक्सक्रीट.
Cheese stuff तो तू है.
डीप क्रस्ट.
Actually, it's cheese stuffed arteries. It's like this is the first medical condition. डॉक्टर भी बोल रहे हैं हमको चीज निकालनी पड़ रही है इनके आर्टरीज
तो
से.
इन लोग ये अमेरिका में चीज का स्टॉक पाइल हो गया तो वैसा कर रहे हैं अभी. मैं कौन सा देख रहा, शेफ्स टेबल आई थिंक, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. सो उसमें एक इटालियन मिशेलिन स्टार हार्डकोर शेफ है, ठीक है. नाउ द प्रोफाइल वाज ऑन हिम, सो हिज रेस्टोरेंट, हाउ ही स्टार्टेड, व्हाट ही डिड. तो उसका एक स्टोरी था वेयर दे, यू नो, यू हैव दोस पार्मेजान व्हील्स that are that are
हाँ
also made and kept cakes. Certain time तक तेरे को उसको mature करना पड़ता है, ये 24 महीना, 36 महीना, 25 साल, जो भी. तो वैसे उसके पास व्हील सब पड़े, और आ गया कोविड. और कोविड में ये सब गया फुल नीचे, कोई खरीद रहा नहीं है, रेस्टोरेंट बंद हो रहे हैं, फलाना ढिमकाना, ये सब चल रहा है. देन ही came out, he's like, no, I'm not going to let this go waste, we are going to figure something out. And he tied up with different restaurants around Italy to create special dishes where this specific thing would be used, so that it doesn't go waste, it goes, and it actually, people get to eat it, restaurants get to use it. Beautiful. If you get, I'll find that Italian chef's name. Mast hai.
Dude, one of
Hmm.
the
और
other
पामेजान है
very
ब्रो, ऐसा भी नहीं है, लाड है, पामेजान है, मैं पामेजान नुस्ता खा सकता हूँ.
one of the other very weird connections that happen through food is the Michelin star, right? Like
One
it's
second
so
before you go ahead.
crazy.
Before you go ahead, because you mentioned Michelin star, I just saw a meme this morning where it said some girl is saying, when I first heard of Michelin star, I was like, no way a tire company is doing it. Then guys, I checked it. Fucking hell, it is a company recommending me places to eat.
So I mean, and this is by the way from a
You know
comment
why
on
it was
Reddit.
done though? You know why it was
Yeah,
done though?
I was just gonna guess. Ki, is it because you read the reviews, then you drive in your car to the restaurant and
Yes.
use the
Mm.
damn tires?
Yes.
So, one was that. And second is that, do you know why the Michelin guy is the Michelin man is white in color?
I thought वो
Because
Pillsbury Doughboy type था, उसका भाई है.
no, because tires used to be white in color. So back in the day, tires used to be white in color. Then they later added the process of, I think, I forget what the process is, but it basically makes it black. So, which is why it
Oh yeah,
used to
rubber
be.
trees, the rubber actually, yeah, the sap is not black.
So
No, but
they,
it looks good ugly if you have like white tires.
it used to look crazy. And then now, I mean, and the other thing is that you're used to looking at black tires. Therefore, you're like, oh yeah, everything else looks.
Yeah.
I mean, like back in the day, if they had invented red tires and that's what we grew up on, like you don't feel weird seeing a red fire truck, right? Because that's your life, right?
No, that's true. But like I would assume that the white tires didn't last long because white light reflect करता है. तो जैसे रास्ते पे चला रहा है सब, अबे उसका अपर टिपर क्यों और सर अपर टिपर ऑन नहीं है, उसके टायर सफेद रंग के हैं.
So,
यार
but
क्या गंदी लगी ये गाड़ी.
the other thing about him used to be that earlier he used to smoke a cigar, Michelin man, huh? Used to be drawn with a cigar and used to carry one cup, which used to have nails, like just stuff that would burst a tire. So he's
हाँ.
literally having that stuff for breakfast
With a cigar.
with a cigar.
I think वो nails wales is still a good idea. I think that's like a really good image. कि देखो
Yeah,
मेरा
they
tire
should have
कुछ भी खा
retained it.
सकता है. Yeah. एक
Wild.
मेरे को चीज का एक साइड आर्टिकल मिला मेरे को. So in May there was a competition for the best cheese, which is a anonymous क्या बोलते हैं when you eat food without really knowing what you're about to, it's a blind test. So it was a blind tasting competition, and there was a vegan cheese that was set to win. So there was a vegan blue cheese that was set to
made out
win.
of cashews.
I don't know what it was made out of, but
Oh,
it
it's
was
made
a
of
blue
sadness.
sadness. So blue cheese, and I think props to this company called Climax Foods for going after blue cheese, because blue cheese is the worst tasting cheese possible. So it's like how much
Taste-
worse can we make it?
No,
Tasting,
by the way,
it's a delicacy, but it smells like
It's
one
stinky, man.
second. Last night, Siddhi and we were watching MasterChef. Okay. And they had one challenge, जिसमें they had like the most like extreme foods, right? And one of the foods there was this cheese called Epoas cheese, which smells
वो अपवास
so
नहीं,
pungent.
वो उपवास चीज है.
वो बकवास चीज है क्योंकि
बकवास चीज.
क्योंकि this is a real fact. It is so pungent, so stinky that the Parisian transport system has banned you taking it onto their transport system.
Highway.
No,
Which is
I
fair,
mean the
because
public
अगर मैं
transport.
गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ
Public.
and and गाड़ी क्रैश हो रही है पब्लिक की वहां पे गाड़ी चलाते चलाते
is-
बास की वजह से.
Other, it is public transport. तो तू चीज
अच्छा.
लेके ट्रेन में नहीं घुस सकता है पब्लिक को सूंघाने के लिए.
हाँ.
That's nasty.
Wow. Which is a great excuse actually. It's not me. It's the cheese. It's the
Yeah.
cheese. लोगों को दिखा रहा मैंने
It's
नहीं
a
बोला.
great way to turn your compartment into a solo compartment क्योंकि सब उतर जाएंगे अगले स्टेशन पे कि भाई ये नहीं
Can
हो
you
रहा
imagine?
चीज के साथ ऐसा है ऐसा जा.
Can you imagine the number of people who had to complain before the government had to step in and be like, guys, sorry, but
Please.
Epwas you can't bring.
No, but can you imagine like if you had to put together what it would smell like? Like क्या हो सकता है इसका पास इतना खराब कि
According to the contestants on the show, it's
by the
like,
way फ्रेंच पब्लिक बोल रहे हैं जो स्नेल वेल खा रहे हैं पब्लिक ठीक है इन लोग बोल रहे हैं.
yeah, but I mean, it's only about the smell, right? It smells like dirty socks.
Okay.
So if you can get past that,
Oh my
But
God.
why? Why would I don't understand? Like the whole like the appetizing nature of food is के smell मस्त आता है कि मम्मी जब बना रही है कुछ सालन वालन that smell spreads through the house. You know that excitement कि अरे क्या
Smell,
कुछ बन रहा है बिरयानी
taste,
बन रही है.
sight.
so you're saying कि कोई घर पे आता है and बाहर से ही सूंघ लेता है अरे आज Epwas बन रहा है चल बाहर निकल जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
नहीं फिर इसलिए है ना आज वहां से उपवास आया कि तू किसी के घर पे गया उसने बोला व्हाट इज दिस लाइक नो टुडे इज माय उपवास. और तू बहुत
या फिर कोई एक्साइटेड
मंडे ट्यूसडे थर्सडे उपवास रख रहा है.
या फिर कोई एक्साइटेड घर में आया कि अरे भाभी जी आज उपवास बन रहा है. नहीं आज मोजे धो रहे.
ठीक है मैं तू खाऊंगा. तू ब्रेड पे दे रहा है सॉस है
ब्रेड पे मोजा डाल के खा.
थोड़ा चूई है
बट एफडीए अप्रूव्ड लग रहा है.
ब्रो उधर पब्लिक की पर में किधर हैव यू गाइस एवर ईटन दैट कोरियन स्पाइसी नूडल्स खाया क्या कभी लाइफ में?
Oh yeah, bulldog.
हाँ.
वो जो रेड और ब्लैक एक पैकेज जो पैकेजिंग ही डेडली है उन लोग दे आर नॉट फकिंग अबाउट दिस कोरियन spicy noodle company is not fucking around. They want you to get scared looking at the packaging. जैसे ब्लैक और रेड है उस पे सिर्फ आग है हर जगह से आग है wherever
bulldog you're talking about bulldog
I forget the name. Black,
100%
red.
it's bulldog.
Yeah.
And if the packaging and the constant fire emojis on the packaging has not scared you enough, they write 4x spicy on it. So 4x of what you don't know, right? So the only way to know is to try it. तो हम लोग को लगा भाई कोरियन रामेन हम लोग तो इंडियन है भाई हम लोग खा लेंगे. मेरे घर पे बैठ के वो बना था. Have you ever passed out or has your nose started bleeding just at the smell in the air when you're making it? Just the broth boiling, dude, is enough to make like grown people, like adults cry. कि क्या है? हम लोगों ने फिर भी बोला कि एक तो बार ट्राई करके बनते तो 4 लोग के बोल आए रखा बोला चर्स लेट्स डू इट. 1 2 एक सिप लिया और हो गया नम. उसके बाद कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मानो वो मूंगी आती है ना ऐसे बॉडी में ऐसे ऐसा फील हो रहा है. ओ डूड इट वाज इनसेन एंड
दे बैंड समवेयर ना
कि मैं कर लूंगा खा लूंगा. ब्रो सब लोग ने फेंक दिया. वो बोले ये नहीं करेंगे हाथ. अभी किधर कोई आई थिंक सम यूरोपियन कंट्री डेनमार्क किधर से बोला को निकालो. मैं बोला 1 मिनट हम लोग की अगर इधर इंडिया में खा के पट रही है डेनिश लोग तो मर गए ब्रो.
लोग हॉस्पिटल गए होंगे वहां पे.
must have died dude, like because their spice tolerances they don't have a Scoville level. It's just
Danish police have arrived at a house where there has been just a body found. They're like sir और क्या मिला? एक बाजू में टेबल पे एक बोल था रामेन के साथ और इसके पेट में भी वो ही मिला.
वही एक
No other
बात
cause
है.
of death.
वियर्ड बात है उसने खाया नहीं था अभी तक. इससे उसके स्मेल से वो
मर गया.
There was a meme I saw where say when they had banned the ramen, right? The meme was back in the day, the Danish Vikings used to come like warriors, and then Abhi No, it's too spicy. Can you please ban? But
और बाकी
safe
I
to say,
have
safe
I
to
have
say,
the
our
bulldog.
Danish audience is not going to be happy with us.
But this bulldog thing, no, I think I have it once a month.
Hmm.
हाँ
I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it. It's very spicy. I will say that it is very spicy.
Yeah, yeah.
But like to the point where like like it's scalp sweating, but enjoyable.
Dude, I have this.
फिर
The
तू
thing
तू
is
शायद
that,
फिर 2x वाला ले रहा होगा भाई मैंने जो खाया उसमें 4x ले रहा
Yeah,
guys,
there was
Naga
था
chili trumps all of these guys. Naga chili is the
Oh, I
bomb.
thought you said Patanjali.
Nahi, Naga chili goes beyond all of this. And it's like to the point where we have made full dekchis of noodles and added an आधे टीस्पून से ज्यादा नागा चिली ऐड कर दिया screwed.
मस्त
If the measurement goes इतना ऊपर नीचे, then both me and Aparna are just sitting के fuck इसका second batch बहुत सारा और पानी डाल के बनाना
अबे
पड़ेगा.
एक मिनट तू अभी लंदन जाके नाजुक तो हो गया है भाई तू
नहीं
नाजुक
नहीं
हो
नहीं.
नहीं
We
नहीं
are having more because we miss India so much where it's like अभी रोज खाते रहो because it just reminds you of like अच्छा food should have some pain involved in it.
यार
Oh,
तो
listen
ऐसा
to this.
करना चाहिए जाके टॉयलेट पे बैठे रहना चाहिए पसीना आना चाहिए क्या
Listen to
है
this. There is something called the Scoville scale. Okay,
Yeah.
Scoville
That's what I
scale.
said. स्कोविल लेवल
Hmm.
स्कोविल स्केल इस पे तो होता है कि
हाँ,
मिर्ची की तरह टॉलरेंस
So Wilbur
उनका
Scoville.
नॉर्वेजियंस का स्कोविल नहीं नो विल स्केल होता है.
नो
Because we
विल
have no will to have this.
हाँ
Basically, Wilbur Scoville in 1912 came up with this thing where he looks at it, and here are the top 10 spiciest. This is literally red hot chili peppers.
भूत जल हो गया भूत जल हो गया
There's the most spicy is a recent Bhut Jolokia number 4 on the list. The most spicy number 3 is Naga hot chili pepper. Then there is the Trinidad Moruga, and the number 1. Any guesses?
कोई अमेरिका में
It's,
कोई छोटा मोटा टेक्सास छोटा आएगा. It must be some small random
Ah.
chili.
It is the Carolina Reaper. It is called the Reaper. It
From
is
where?
it should have just been called the Grim Reaper, bro.
it's a hybrid chili of the Chinese capsicum species. A hottest chili grown by Ed Curry, who runs the Pucker Butt Pepper, a pepper company in South Carolina, with an average of how much is this? 1,569,000 SHU Scoville on the Scoville scale and
This
peak
is-
levels.
How
It's
much chili?
SUCKUN. It's just fuck. मैं तेरे को क्यों बताऊं मेरे अंदर का स्केल क्या है
By the way, I've never seen a scale go up to millions. Normal scale 1 से 10 के बीच में होता है कि this is what the scale should be. Why is the scale going up to millions?
So, speaking of these hot chilies, right? So we had called for this thing called Thai Mix, okay, from one of these delivery companies. They send you just one box with all the Thai ingredients. So usme tha ek ingredient called Thai bird's eye chili.
और जा
It,
चलिए
it is this small, okay,
Yeah.
and so again looking, इतना छोटा सा है chili है ठीक है ना whatever. So CD has cut it, picked it up with her fingers and put it in the pot. That's it. That's all she did. She picked it up, put it in the pot. Her fingers have burnt. Like they have gotten like some degree of burns. And it has burnt for 2 days straight.
Fuck, इतना
Yeah.
कुछ हाथ पे कट था क्या
Nahi. All
It
4
just absorbs
fingers.
into the skin.
Yeah. You can't get it off. Like you can't wash it off. It just burns. So you have some of these chilies, especially some of the hot ones, you have to use with gloves. Like you can't just.
1 second. If you are treating something with gloves, maybe don't put it in your mouth.
Agreed.
If you have to cook something with gloves on, matlab in the sense like not gloves for hygiene. Just, नहीं तो
Oh,
उस हिसाब से तो अपना भेलपुरी
dude,
वाला भी सेम है.
Speaking of, one of the saddest news items for me personally has been they did some survey of the local roadside food guys, and they found like most of them have like lots of carcinogens in the food. And yeah, so basically it
हाँ,
sucks.
because वो गाड़ियों के पास ही बना रहे हैं ना खाना, so of course there'll be carcinogens.
Yeah, one
I
is
need
that, and like
Neville. I need
also
Neville for
like
these jokes. I
yeah,
miss Neville. One day he'll be back on the podcast, guys.
ब्रो
yeah.
याद है आदर उस दिन हम लोग जा रहे थे जब वो स्टार का शूट करने, मैं और आदर गाड़ी में
हाँ,
बैठे, फिर एक टाइम पे ना ऐसे ट्रैफिक में अटक गए और फिर
हाँ,
राइट साइड पे देखा और लिटरली रास्ते के बीच में डिवाइडर है, डिवाइडर पे बैठी है मौसी जो साफ कर रही है पालक, साफ कर रही है पा, पालक को,
पालक
पालक पालक ब्रो, पालक स्पिनच
क्या?
साफ कर रही है, बट साफ कहाँ हो रहा है, किस में हो रहा है वो हमको दिखाई दे रहा है। हमने बोला भाई ये पालक अभी जाने वाला है किसी के मुंह में एज पालक सूप और समथिंग, ऊपर से
Wait,
बारिश पड़ रही है।
MD.
you're
So
1 second. You have breezed past the fact that she is in the middle of a road.
या अरे दिस
there's
इज
a
दादर में वो एरिया है ना जिधर सब सब्जी आते हैं। याद है अपन जब भी अपन शूट से वापस जाते थे सुबह 5 बजे कोई मेथी धो रहा
Oh,
है,
okay.
Dadar
Okay, got
station,
it.
Dadar station page where the entire, like all the sabzi for Bombay kind of
That makes
gets
sense. Okay.
out for
I thought,
the
you know what I had in
wholesalers.
my head? What I had in my head
Hmm.
was तुम लोग कहीं जा रहे हो रास्ते पे और रास्ते के डिवाइडर के बीच में ऐसे ही रैंडमली कोई कर रहा है. Like it's
हाँ
नहीं नहीं
रैंडमली
नहीं,
कर रही है रास्ते, देयर इज नो अगेन दादर
there's
में
no
होता है मतलब ये
justification.
नहीं कि
but but if
डिवाइडर
if it's a food area, then that makes sense. Like at least there's a
या
reason.
It's not a food area. It is a road at Dadar station. It is not a food area. It's just
Under
for
the
some
bridge,
reason
na?
they want.
हाँ
Yeah,
अंडर
yeah,
द
they've
ब्रिज।
all just decided
हाँ,
to
I know what you're
put
saying.
all the food there. But
Yeah.
yeah, वो मतलब puddle में धोया जा रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, and it's been करके
But that's
भाई
a
fresh.
standard feature, na? Standard feature every monsoon. If you
Yeah.
spend enough time on the internet, you'll find at least one video कि कोई पालक धो रहा है नाले के पानी में, कोई खाना धो रहा है इसके अंदर। वो थोड़ी चेंज होता है, वो तो क्लासिक मॉनसून टेस्टिंग वेजीज सीजनल
No,
सीजनल।
no, during the monsoon, one thing I've realized is the people who come to deliver your food. These
Oh my
guys
God.
are, because it's raining like crazy, and some of these guys are going through insane conditions because road, mashallah, apna. So the fact that they're still getting your food on time is immensely like incredible. So there's this one video that has gone viral of this food delivery guy who's delivering food और वो बाइक को पार्क करके बिल्डिंग के गेट में घुस रहा है। अब वो गेट में घुसने से पहले दो बंदे बाइक पे आते हैं विद देयर फेसेस कवर्ड एंड स्टार्ट टू रॉब हिम। तो उसका खाना ले लिया है, उसका वॉलेट ले लिया है, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट दिस गाय स्टार्ट्स क्राइंग टू द पॉइंट वेयर द रॉबर्स आर लाइक, बॉस तेरा लाइफ हम लोग से बहुत ज्यादा खराब है, उसको सब कुछ वापस दे दिया इन लोग ने, उसको हग किया है, एंड देन द रॉबर्स हैव लेफ्ट।
और ये सब
Oh,
होते हुए उन्होंने वीडियो बनाया खुद का ये करते हुए।
नहीं, किसी और ने वीडियो बनाया बाहर से,
CCTV होगा ना?
सीसीटीवी फुटेज।
Oh
बट
my
यार
God. That's
I almost feel guilty for calling stuff, you know, when
Yeah,
it's
just
raining
tip
that
them,
heavily.
just tip
No,
them
no,
well.
that too we do, but still, like for
Yeah,
also like just the thought that you can get it. You know what I mean?
yeah.
There was a time when ऐसे वो बाहर देखता है इतनी बारिश है, अरे छोड़ अभी कौन जाएगा, अभी कौन आएगा, तो मंगाते ही नहीं थे। Now it's just become that there is that ease in which you can just do it on your phone. Public आते जा रहा है। Insane.
yeah.
प्रोटीन बार खाएगा क्या? प्रोटीन बार जिसमें
Dude, मेरे पास हाँ
प्रोटीन तो है ही नहीं उसमें। Bro, again the same Eddie Abdu guy, he's gone and he was showing कौन सा है वो, it was some चिकन सलामी और कुछ, तो ठीक है, तो वो दिखा रहा है ऐसा, फिर उसने टर्न किया और उसने बोला है कि अगर चिकन सलामी है उसमें क्या इंग्रेडिएंट होना चाहिए? चिकन।
chicken,
चिकन सलामी
and I
में
don't know what salami
8
is.
अगर और इंग्रेडिएंट है तो तू समझ ले कि भाई वो नहीं है चिकन सलामी, वो
Actually,
चिकन
ये चिकन सलामी को बस,
थॉट है।
ये जब चिकन सलामी बनता है ना, बस बाजू में एक चिकन को खड़ा करते हैं, वो जैसे सलामी देती है फूड को जाने से पहले, दैट इज द ओनली सलामी दैट इज देयर विद चिकन एंड ऑल।
Man, every day you read one more thing that you can't eat, na?
या
कि
ऑल दीस
ये
ओट्स
खाएगा
एंड
तो
ग्रेनोला बार्स, Oats and
Yeah.
granola bars also have extreme. So anything that is healthy is also adulterated. Anything that is unhealthy is super adulterated. So I don't know at what point अब तुम हवा खाओ बैठ के.
Bro, it's come to a point where people have started like fish. You won't believe it. तो कितने ethically तूने ये fish पकड़ा है, उसके ऊपर एक अलग तरह
Sourced.
का bill होता था, source, ये वो बहुत सारे मच्छी they now get bred in a farm, like you have fish farm, right? कि तू उधर मेल फीमेल डाल दिया, बच्चे आते जा रहे और तू एक उनको इधर कंटेन करे. टिलापिया करके एक fish है, which used to do that. Now obviously as opposed to the natural way of growing, they don't grow as properly, तो उसके अंदर contamination होता है. एक they've taken to the next level where they've started taking regular locally sourced fish but masquerading it as international.
What?
Yeah,
One second, वो fish accent में बुड़ 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 करती है क्या?
हाँ, accent नहीं मारने के बाद लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मैं तेरे को बोलूं सामन, तू तेरे को सामन का तूने कलर देखा है ना, वो पिंक, आधे से ज्यादा टाइम इसमें या तो पुराना वाला है उसको ना और ज्यादा पिंक करा रहे, तो तेरे को देखने में लगता है कि अरे यार ये तो बहुत ज्यादा, ये तो जापान से आई होगी कंफर्म. सब में डाला है. एनी फिश दैट टेक्सचर वाइज और लुक वाइज लुक सिमिलर टू बाहर वाला फिश, उन लोग को मतलब मिसलेबल करके उन लोग कर रहे. सो दे डिड अ टेस्ट, 1 in 3 fish sold in establishment, I don't know if it's an Indian study or no, but 1 in 3 establishments, at least in hotels and all, was suspected to sell mislabeled fish. कि ये तू बेच रहा है उसको टूना. Good. That's what the restaurants felt after selling their bombil as tuna. उसको जिम भेजा.
This someone had told me, and I think it's quite common knowledge, कि you never have when you go to the free buffet और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, free breakfast जो मिलता है ना hotels में, so they're like you never have anything that is not made fresh in front of you, like only have stuff from the live counter because you don't know the date that everything else was made.
But technically फिर तो कसाई के पास जाके बैठना पड़ेगा ना. First you'll have to accompany the cow to the butcher. Then the cow का वो तुम लेके रेस्टोरेंट में.
आजकल के टाइम में कुछ नहीं है, तू अपने तरफ से जितना करेगा टू मेक योरसेल्फ फील मेंटली लाइक हाँ मैं तो क्लीन कर रहा हूँ, वही है. देयर इज लिटरली no way. Like first you would think that, oh, if you pay more money then it's a sign of, oh, it has been done like that, but even that's not the case because you're getting so much fake stuff. मैं देखो टूना का एग्जांपल दे रहा था. Never have anything that is called white tuna because that's a fish that does not exist.
What?
They call it white tuna, but it is a fish called escolar. It's cheap and oily
Colombian
fish, escolar, but
Colombians कहा था
escolar. तो तेरे को व्हाइट टूना को मतलब देखो उसमें ना टेक्सचर भाई वैसे साइज में तेरे को लगेगा अरे ये टूना है बट सफेद कलर का है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
Oh God, एक मेरे को मिला था which
It's
is
made of the same thing that Pringles is made out of.
हाँ यार, बट लिटरली तो ऐसे लेके तू वही 4 फूड केमिकल्स को मिला के अलग अलग बना मच्छी बना रहा है, कोई ये बना.
we've seen मच्छी, घी, granola bar, ये सब देख लिया. Can you ever imagine an egg to be fake? An egg
No.
which you crack with your own hands and open
What?
and eat.
As in क्या ये नकली egg?
Nakli egg with the shell being created. So this was a massive thing in 2012 in China that had started, which was fake eggs. And a worker could crank out
How?
1,500 fake eggs a day if he was
But what-
skilled enough.
But what is this?
So
Like-
this is what happens. This is what happens. First, they get the white resin in, and then they create the shell. So shell is made of white resin, which is starch and coagulant and resin. And then they create a white color ka apna this. So that is your pura ka pura shell. Then a fake yolk is created with resin and yellow pigments, which is added to a slimy white thing created without the yellow stuff. So the shell is created with gypsum powder, calcium carbonate, and paraffin wax.
Please
Wow.
tell me one thing. चाइना में काउंटरफेयर मार्केट इतना स्लो चल रहा था कि उन्होंने बोला कि चल अभी अंडे भी बना देते फेक. तू बैग बना रहा है, जूते बना रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बना रहा है, मैं समझता हूँ.
उसपे गुची लिख के दे रही है.
तू फेक अंडे क्यों बना रहा है? बट ये कोई पब्लिक खा सकते हैं अंडे? खाने टेस्ट में सेम.
matlab, they were fake, but like, yeah, it's once you cook it with like oil and masala and chili, can you really tell? I'm pretty sure that they were getting away with this for a long time until people like started getting ill.
या लाइक पीपल गेट अवे विथ केज फ्री. ये एक नया है ना कि केज फ्री. भाई ये मुर्गी केज में थे ही नहीं. तो इनके बिकॉज दे डिड अ स्टडी कि दे आर क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फार्म फ्रेश. इसमें सब
Yeah,
मुर्गियों
yeah, yeah.
खुश रखा है तो उन लोग अच्छा खाना खाते हैं, तो उनके अंडे अच्छे. इसके लिए 250 रुपये भरो अभी. मैं बोला अबे
Oh, God.
इतने साल
By
से
the way,
पब्लिक केज वाले मुर्गे ही खा रहे हैं. सब ठीक.
speaking of, there was here's a food that you will never get to eat ever in your life because it's already finished. So I'm talking about dodo meat. Okay, so the Dutch had basically encountered the dodo, and immediately within 80 years they had wiped it off the map. Okay, hunted it to extinction and eaten all of them.
Oh my
Now the
God.
crazy thing is, I don't know why they did it with such speed, because according to reports, the meat tasted awful. They
Oh.
reported it saying it was really bad
But have
tasting.
you
It
had
had
Dutch cuisine? They must
Why?
have thought it's the tastiest thing. They're like,
I think, you know
इसमें
what?
बिल्कुल
You know what
टेस्ट नहीं है. अरे सर अपना खाना ऐसी तो है. यस, नेशनल डिश. मार
You
दो
know
सब.
what must have happened? They were like, अच्छा चल डोडो खा रहे हैं हम लोग, लेकिन इसका टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं है, चल इंडिया से स्पाइसेस चुरा के लाते. बट
जो
तुम
हम
लोग
कभी
खाते
यूज
रहो,
नहीं
हम
करेंगे.
लोग ला रहे हैं, हम लोग ला रहे हैं, हम लोग ला रहे हैं, आप खाते रहो. जब वो वापस आए वो लोग स्पाइस लेके, इन लोग ने खा लिया था, तो It's like, अभी इसका क्या
दे यक.
crazy.
तो यू थिंक दे गॉट एक्सटिंक्ट क्योंकि उन लोग एक टाइम पे दो दो खा रहे थे.
वो ऑफर चल रहा था.
दो अरे डोडो.
Wow, that was my dodo
This
moment.
is why we need Neville for just over exaggerating the hatred towards these jokes.
Okay, chalo. On that note,
ऑन दैट नोट, और कुछ नकली खानों के बारे में बताना नहीं. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ नकली खाने के बारे में मालूम है तो प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए और
Yeah.
बताइए.
Please
अजीबोगरीब.
comment about your fake friends in the comments. If you have any fake friends, you can comment their names, tag them.
though actually the thing I would want to know is
Hmm.
what is a food that you have stopped eating because you found out the truth about the food, and or what are some
Oh.
of your clean eating habits in case you have them. Not that I'm going to use it, but still it would be nice
Yeah.
to know.
Tell us your clean eating habits as a guy who ate momo,
Bur-
burger, jalebi, fafda.
Uh, See,
Cake.
I'll have like I would have had one dodo and then been like, okay, that's enough.
Huh.
Oh,
Please thank him for the figuring out the maggots.
Thank you for the maggots. Yeah.
how to end an episode without having to end an episode.
And we
On
come
that
full circle. Before.
That's it from this episode of the Internet Set. So we were talking about some crazy food facts. Like we said, if you have any, let us know in the comments. And before we go, one time again, we are reminding, please take tickets to the TIS Uncensored tour that is happening. Ticket नीचे. ये हमारा 5-year celebration tour है. So we'd love to have you guys there. Please get tickets before they sell out. और अगर ये वीडियो तब आ रहा है जब मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये वीडियो आ रहा है, तो merch is up, वो कर लो. मेंबरशिप्स आर अप, वो भी कर लो. अगर ये वीडियो तब आ रहा है जब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये नहीं आएगा, तो मर्च आएगा और मेंबरशिप्स आएंगे. बट रिगार्डलेस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. चल जाते हैं अभी.
ये किसने आउटरो लिखा है? क्रिस्टोफर नोलन.
Yeah.
पता नहीं. चलो, thank you guys for watching. See you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salam ishq. अरे फक, हनी के बारे में तो बात ही नहीं किया भाई.
अरे हाँ, हनी.
हनी तो
Oh
फेक ही.
no.